I like to have this little hair wand here. It really helps. And if you don't have it, I used to use socks, so it should be okay, but the curls will be closer to tighter. And what I'll do is grab a very small section near the root of the head, and I will wrap it around the wand here. And you can see this is where the hair is now. And I'll just grab another section connecting where it was wrapped around the wand, and just continue until it reaches the middle of my ear. So I'm just going to fast forward a bit here. About half my hair, wrap this around the wand, and then with the other section, cross it in front of the face, so this way, and then making a small X pattern at the front. So this is crossed in the front, and you want to make sure that they are in 2 different directions so that they can wrap around each other. Once you have that, you're just going to cross the back of your hair and make that same X pattern and bring it to the front. I'll show you what I mean by X. So I'm going to put one in front. There's one side, creating the first part of the X, and the second part right here. So it creates a little X. And this side is a bit longer, so what I like to do is do an extra wrap until they're almost about the same length, since I do have a lot of layers. So at this point is where I'll create an X pattern in the back here. And then just complete until you're near the end. A bit messier here, so what I like to do is make sure that my hair tie can really secure that part. So I'll just put it here so that it doesn't unwind overnight. Grab a small section of hair, put it behind the rod, and bring it to the front. And then add another section, slowly creeping towards the middle of the ear. Wrap this around the wand one time, and then bring the back of the hair to the front. So it'll look like this. And then we have 2 pieces now. So I'll create that X pattern. Here's one side and the other. And then bring it to the back and do the same thing until we're at the edge of the hair. Okay, we are at the end on this side. So, and the last step is to tie it off with a band.